Hello, good morning to everyone. Today in this video I'll tell you how you can bring back Instagram to your home screen. See here, currently this is the Instagram app, and if you can observe, I have changed the icon of Instagram, the default icon. This you can do that. I already did a video tutorial. If anyone is interested, just find it in the description. See, by accidental touch, maybe when you keep your mobile in the pocket, maybe due to the mistouch, this may have removed here like this. So how you can get this Instagram back? So find the Instagram app from your app drawer like this by swiping from bottom to top, or for few mobiles the UI will be something like left to right. Anywhere you will find this Instagram application. So yeah, where is this? Here. Now press and hold on the app for few seconds. Now drag this and drop it on your home screen. Say for example, if it is dropped on the third screen, you can bring it to the main screen again. From here, from this home screen, to drag and drag it to the corner, so it will come to the main home screen. Leave this. So this is how you can bring back the Instagram application to your home screen. If this video helps, please do hit a like. That is what all I want from you, and thanks for watching. Have a nice day.